Hey everybody, Dave Forehand, Dallas Arboretum. I'm on our Paseo de Flores and I'm standing next to a bush, which is really almost a tree now, that is a great edible for the yard and also an ornamental. This is Loquat, Areobatria japonica. This particular plant has this really nice edible fruit. These are beginning to ripen. They'll turn bright yellow when they're completely ripe and are quite tasty. You can see the size. This thing's up 15, almost 20 feet in height. So it's a pretty big shrub, so you want to plant it where it can have room to grow. But I love having things that are also edible, that look good in the garden. And this thing is very cold hardy for the most part. If it gets super cold, down in the low teens, sometimes it'll burn back some of the leaves on the plant or might hurt the flowers. Back in the middle of winter, there was just beautiful yellow flowers here, and those flower buds turned into the fruit that you see now. But Loquat's a great kind of anchor plant for the corner of a house, or plant in the distance in the backyard to enjoy looking at. It's kind of got a greenish silver color leaf, real thick and nice, and of course evergreen. So Loquat is definitely a good plant to try here for us in North Texas. See you real soon. Dave Forehand. Hey everybody, Dave Forehand, Dallas Arboretum. We're back at the Loquat and they are beginning to ripen right now. So I want to show you what this looks like. Let me grab one out. So here is the ripe fruit. And I'll squeeze it open here so you can see nice sweet pulp in there. There's quite a few seeds, kind of cool too, you can see, but all this pulp is really sweet, very tasty, and there's a lot of things you can do. There's a lot of recipes online for these, and I'm even going to taste it just to prove it. Sweet, very mild. You'd love Loquat if you tried it. This is a great plant to have around your house because not only is it beautiful, but you get this great fruit. Dave Forehand, I'll see you real soon.